Hi, friends. I feel so happy that I got an opportunity this week to inaugurate and deliver the keynote address at Christian College Chengano on the topic The Future of Sky Islands Conservation Imperatives for High Altitude Ecosystems. In fact, it's such a coincidence that my new novel, in fact, it's a crime novel. It's named Mysteries in the Sky Islands of Devikulam. All of you may be knowing about the high altitude place called Munnar. My novel is set at that place. And when the college authorities invited me for this national seminar they are organizing in the zoology department, I was quite surprised. I am an old zoology student, and nature and conservation is something so close to my heart. I could meet a few scientists in that seminar who are doing research on various ecological subjects. Dr. Robin was one among them. He was talking about the research he is doing on different types of bird varieties in the sky islands of Nilgiris, Munnar, etc. These birds probably got separated even 5 million years ago. And using the song sound of these birds, which he records electronically with AI help, he finds how the songs from different mountains are different, just like the dialects of languages. Language, we all know that dialects vary in different parts of the same state, sometimes same um, language. Malayalam in Kannur is different from Malayalam in Trivandrum. Hindi in Bhojpuri areas are very different from Hindi in the plains. So, every language has this property. All these things help us to know the great mystery of evolution in the world. In fact, while I uh, visited this college, they presented to me a book which right now I am reading. This book in Malayalam is called Ellavarkum Idamulla Bhupadangal by TV Sajeev. It can be roughly translated like a map where everyone has a place. What a sweet name, no? So he is telling about the soundscapes in the forest. In fact, due to lot of sound pollution, we humans are unable to actually detect the beautiful sounds in nature or the sound of silence, all these things. So Sajeev is describing in this book about a study of soundscapes in a forest. So some corporate decided and told that they will be doing only selective felling of trees, which we may think that would be very good compared to total felling of trees from a forest. So before this company did the selective felling of trees, the scientists recorded the soundscape of the forest. That soundscape means which bird is singing, at what time it is singing, what all animals and insects are making sounds, at what time, what season, all these things were recorded. After the selective felling, the same soundscape was recorded. Actually, the landscape looked the same from a drone picture. Same canopy of trees could be seen, but the soundscape was sadly different after the selective filling. And friends, the saddest part is that even after years and years after the selective felling of trees, that same soundscape never ever came back. What does it mean? It means that some of those fauna and flora are ever lost for us. So, when we are selectively felling some flora, thinking that it's all right, it doesn't affect much the cubic meter size of forest wood or canopy or the carbon density and all, but actually, we are losing a lot. While some of the plant species are lost, some of the animal species are lost forever. And when these animals and plants are lost, what the whole world is losing and what the ecosystem, including the humans, are losing, you can never imagine. Next time or next day when you are waking up, please listen to the soundscape in the morning and in the evening. That's the best time to listen to the soundscape. While you go to a forest, listen to the soundscape. Acoustics is its own science. So, connected with the ecosystem, connected with nature, try to understand the sounds of not only birds, nature as such. These things would change probably the way you think about nature as a whole and humans as a part of the whole nature. We are not standalone creatures. We have no independent existence. Let's realize that and let's all listen to the beautiful soundscape around.